Hello students, welcome to geography class. I am your geography teacher. Students, let's take some revision. In last few lectures we have learned about latitudes. The largest latitude on the globe is equator, which is on 0 degree. And we learn how to draw parallels of latitude according to their angle with the center of the earth. In this lecture we are going to learn about longitudes, how to draw longitudes through its angle with the center of the earth. In last lecture I gave you an activity to draw longitudes through the point M and the point C. I hope you all have done with the activity. So now let's go forward. Meridians of longitudes. You will realize that the line drawn from points A, B and C makes angles at M, the center of the earth, on the plane of the equator. Through these points we can draw semicircles joining both the poles. Starting with point A, we can draw semicircles through points placed at each degree. These semicircles are known as meridians of longitudes. So students, we can understand here how to draw longitudes when we observe the figure number 1.9. We can see there is a center of the earth, point M. From the point M, we take a point B on the equator on a particular angle. And after that we draw the semicircle through the point B and join both the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. We draw the semicircle through the point A and through the point C respectively. These semicircles are called longitudes. One of these meridians is considered to be 0 degree. It is known as the prime meridian. The angular distance of the other meridians from the prime meridian are measured in degrees and are called longitudes. We have done this in the activity based on figure 1.9. The 0 degree and 180 degree meridians lay opposite on the globe, forming a circle. This circle divides the earth in the eastern and western hemisphere. All meridians are equal in size. So students, the prime meridian is the line drawn north to south at 0 degree longitude. It is also called the Greenwich meridian because it runs through Greenwich, England. The prime meridian divides Earth into Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. There are total 360 longitudes on the globe. 180 longitudes in Western Hemisphere and 180 longitudes in Eastern Hemisphere. Meridians in the Eastern Hemisphere are labeled as 10 degree east, 25 degree east, 135 degree east, etc. While in the Western Hemisphere they are labeled as 10 degree west, 25 degree west, 135 degree west, etc. 30 degree east is the semicircle that joins all places that an angular distance of 30 degree from the prime meridian. Some of them are Cairo, Harare and Durban in Africa. See figure number 1.6. So students, as we have learned in last few lectures how to identify latitude through its angular distance with the center of the earth and in which hemisphere does it exist. We do same with longitudes. Each longitude identified through its angular distance with the center of the earth and in which hemisphere does it exist, eastern hemisphere or in western hemisphere. As you can see in figure number 1.6, there are three cities located on the 30 degree east longitude. Those cities are Cairo, Harare, Durban in Africa. Though the earth is huge in size, we can tell the exact location of places on the earth using latitudes and longitudes. Note that the distance between two adjacent parallels is the same everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent meridians is not same everywhere. We can see this even on the segment of an orange. The distance between the meridians is maximum on the equator and goes on reducing towards the poles. At the poles, it is 0. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.